How's it going, everyone? We want to talk about ENPH. I want to look at this chart here for you guys, and because I love bottom reversals, and this one is beaten down a lot, and it's actually coming up on my screener, on my scanners for a potential bottom reversal buy. So let me tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly, what I like about this, and what I'd be planning to do. So on the daily chart for ENPH, you can actually see we barely missed this blue band here on this candle. It did not physically touch it. It's a high of 89.95, and this blue band is 90.39. The reason why that's important is because price will come and touch this. It has to, and that's your EMA 20 reversion to the mean. Price always goes back to touch that. And what I try to look for this strategy is extreme areas. So the last time we did physically touch it, because we know it will, was way back in here on 10:01. The current date is 11:12. So 10:01 to 11:01 is 1 month, and so we have 1 month and a couple weeks. So we did physically hit this EMA 10. What I would like to see is a reversion to this EMA 5. And as you can see from this low here, that is a 12% move, which is really good for a bigger cap stock. We are down 5% on the day, 4% yesterday, 6%, 4%, and then another 16% drop here. It's been just going down. We had this earnings here, which made it drop, quite a bit here, and then it recovered just from this, reversion to the mean. And look at this. This was a 17% bounce. Very nice. So if we look at the weekly, we are not at this lower band here, but I like to look at bigger time frames, and you can kind of see, well, where's our big support and resistance? Well, we broke through here. This is why I don't just trade based on this, but I try to look at what the system tells me and where's the big demand zones are. So you can see right in here, we actually have a demand zone here. That's a bigger one. And then we have a demand zone here where we lift off. So you can see right in here on the weekly, we went up and then we broke through this here. We tested it on this candle here, and then we went up. So these are your big zones. I don't think it hits this bottom one, but you just never know. So just basing on this resistance or support, you're coming close to where I would actually look to buy it, because you have this lower band that is customized to be extremely oversold. And so coming into this area, we should expect to get a nice dead cat bounce. So let's get rid of that other one, as I don't think it goes that low. The next thing I want to show you guys, anything that don't touch the EMA 5 in 6 to 7 daily candles with a big cap stock is extremely long and rare. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 daily candles not touching this EMA 5. So that is pretty long, right? Usually on the 7th daily candle, we start seeing a move up. So I would like to start accumulating only when I see a physical pierce of this bottom band. It has to physically touch it. If it's not, then it's not a buy zone. And I don't just get in right away. We try to wait for, yeah, at least we have time distance. Well, now that I have the time distance, I approve of this. We can go to the analysts here. We have a strong buy, a hold, and then some underperform and sell ratings. I also like to show you guys too the simple Wall Street, just to see what is the valuation. Are we undervalued and all that? Because we are going to be swing trading this, and we can kind of see, could this be a potential longer hold or just more safe down here if we don't happen to catch the bottom? And you can see right in here, the valuation is 67.2% undervalued. The fair value of this company is $194. Obviously, we don't just go straight on that, but we could see, okay, this company is about 70% undervalued, and you can see the future growth on this thing and everything. You can look at their management, their ownership, and all that. And the reason I say this is because this is just really just important stuff to see. So this is the daily chart. I think this is a very good company. I think this is a great area to buy into, and I'll be looking for this lower band touch, because right here you have that 58.96 support area. Can it break that? It can, but I just don't see. I think this is where you're going to get the bounce. And the first target is going to be this EMA 5. That is always where you're going to target. This is a nice loading area, or nice area to sell, and you can make pretty good bank. Depending on options too, as you can look, when you see this many expirations on options, they're very fluid. So you could even do options. I recommend, probably 100 days out. I'm a safer type player. So you go to calls here, and you can see, well, I like to do 1 to 2 in the money, and you can get these things for, pretty good. You have the open interest, 26 people holding that one. Very nice deltas. Delta means what is your chances of winning if this expires to the date? Well, 0.68 means you have a 68% chance, which is really nice if you just hold it till expiration. Obviously, you don't want to do that. So, but yeah, I really like this. Anybody that has anything you want to comment, just let me know in the chat, YouTube comments below. But ENPH is a very good, bigger cap stock that I'm looking into, and I think we start getting a reversion to the mean. But obviously, wait till we hit this big support area, and you can see we're trying to get close to this lower band here. Look at this. We had a big swift candle down here on the 1 minute, almost touching it in front of our eyes. All right, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, do keep in mind I do have a Discord. You guys can join. You guys can see how I do these things in real time. I also do live streams, and I also have lots of education videos. So one, you can set up your chart like this. You can be a part of a community, and you'll get entries and exits for swing trades, day trades, and just have a system that actually works in catching trend reversals or trading with the trend. So this is obviously a trend reversal type play, because I would not want to short this when I've seen this setup played many times where, we start seeing a V shape come around this area. Do I see it coming to hit the 10? No, I don't think it's going to hit the 10. One last thing is the KDJ. It is 12.79. I do like to see it under 10, so do keep that in mind. We'll observe that a little more. But I'll let you guys know in the Discord when I get in. Hit the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat link page. If you want to be a member of the highest tier, just hit day trade alerts. As you can see, all these asterisks, all these will be unlocked when you subscribe, and it's only $12 a month. And if you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And you can see right here in the service shop, you can read about the 2 memberships I offer swing trading. But if you want the whole package, Day Swing Trading Plus, $12 a month. And like I said, you're going to get the education, teach you how to trade, swing trading education. Premium chat is being a part of the community. But I think you guys are going to really like this. This is the safest way to trade. I even get members texting me saying, I just want to tell you that I love your strat. It's not even stressful at all. It's such a good strategy. And that's really what I like about this. There's clear rules. You're getting in at the very bottoms, and you're getting very precise entries, and you're just selling the rips, right? There's no hopium at all. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys do want to join the Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments, and I'll see you guys there. Peace out.